Appendices. 1. The sons of Leah. Lest there be any misunderstanding, it is perhaps best to note that, although the sons of Leah were never loved by Jacob in the same way as Rachel's sons, it does not mean that they were reprobate, and the analogy is misunderstood if such is the conclusion. They were sons of the unloved wife. They showed in their lives the rift between Jacob and Leah. Jacob was suspicious of them up to his going into Egypt, and his dying words reflect no credit to some of them. Some may and some may not have been reprobate. That's not our concern. The point of the analogy is this. Even as Jacob unwittingly embraced a bride who was not his choice, with unhappy consequences, so well-meaning Christian thinkers have unknowingly reasoned on premises they assumed to be Christian. They were not aware that their Rachel was Leah. Augustine, a truly great Christian thinker, nevertheless introduced alien strands into Christian thought by reasoning at times from Greek rather than Christian premises, without realizing his inconsistency. And it remains a constant temptation in every generation to use common and non-Christian presuppositions without an awareness of their contradiction to Christian presuppositions. Moreover, the analogy points further to the conscious and perverse embracing of Leah and the insistence that she is Rachel. Some contemporary thinkers self-consciously attempt to reason from non-Christian premises and are insistent that these are identical with Christian presuppositions or else can lead to Christian theistic conclusions. They embrace Leah and call her Rachel. They posit, for example, the God of existentialism and insist that he is the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob.